The Eagle Creek Packet Isolate packing cubes weigh practically nothing, but still hold a surprising amount of clothes and gear. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a long adventure, they're easy to pack because the thin, water-resistant ripstop material withstands normal wear and tear without adding much weight. Many travelers look for that sweet spot between durability and low bulk, and these cubes hit it at around $40 per set. We especially appreciate the angled zippers, which open clamshell style and let you see everything as soon as you flip the top. Paracord pulls on these zippers feel solid, though the compression zippers lack them and can be tricky if you really stuff the cubes. The slippery fabric might cause them to slide around inside your bag, but that also helps them glide in and out with ease. In terms of compression, they truly shine. Pack your clothes, zip the main compartment, then use the second zipper to reduce bulk even further. You can even fit a puffer jacket in one cube and the seams will hold up fine, even though it will be a bit tight. You'll need to apply some force to get the compression zipper around, but the extra space saved is worth the effort. The rounded edges may complicate stacking multiple cubes, though they still slide into most bags without trouble. Compared to similarly priced packing cubes, these are lighter while remaining sturdy. E-bags offer good compression, but often way more. Eagle Creek's cubes practically vanish in your luggage, which is ideal if every ounce matters. They also stay tough after plenty of use, showing no ripping or loose stitching. That durability gives me confidence for future trips. Another useful feature is the size labels on each handle, so you can easily pick the cube you need without mixing up socks and shirts. If you choose the shoe sack, it isn't airtight, but it does a decent job of keeping muddy footwear separate from clean clothes. Plus, there are different colors and sizes, so you can set up a system that works for you. Overall, these cubes stand out as one of the best picks in their price bracket. They're feather light, compress effectively, and hold up well over time. The slick material and somewhat stubborn compression zippers aren't enough to overshadow their benefits. If you need a reliable packing solution that keeps everything organized and saves space, they're definitely worth checking out. To sum up, what I like is that it's extremely lightweight, excellent compression, and the durable ripstop material. On the downside, the compression zippers can be tough when fully packed, and the rounded edges may make stacking awkward.